adventurous. Today, get ready for double the fun as we go on amazing bike journey with you and your super cool dad. Let's hit the road together. First thing first, let's make sure our awesome two-wheeler it's all set for our big adventure. Dad is here to do the check. Safety always comes first. Let's put on our helmets and gear up for a safe, exciting ride with Dad. With a fantastic dad. It's like having a co-pilot for our biking adventure. Feel the wind in your head and enjoy the ride as you and your dad cruise together. It's double the fun and double the joy. Dad is our amazing captain. He's steering the two-wheeler and you the little navigator and the smiles and laughter to make our journey extra special. Let's ring the bell together. Tring, tring. It's like our way of saying we are having a blast on this awesome ride. Look at the exciting places we can explore together. Riding on the same bike makes our adventure even more good. Sometimes we stop to enjoy the view and share a giggle. It's these little moments that make our ride unforgettable. What a fantastic bike adventure with you and your dad. Do not forget bike safety while having fun riding with your dad. Until our next ride, happy biking! Don't forget to subscribe.